Let's look at the little Tikes Story Dream Machine starter set. It's a great projector for really young kids. There's a little focus on the front. There's cartridges, there's 2 extra cartridges. There's a motor inside that changes the scenes while the story changes. There's a pause button, forward button, and there's a little focusing thing. So it actually does pretty good, like way far back here. I'm in totally bright lighting conditions. And I'm about 5 feet from the screen. So it's very bright, but yet safe. So I'm curious about, I kind of understand how the motor works, but I'm curious about what the projector looks like, how much power it uses, what kind of LED they use, what kind of blending there is. So that's the main reason I'm taking this apart. When you pull the cartridge out, you can see in there, the motor engages this mechanism and changes the slides. Okay, let's take it apart. Okay, so let's find the light source. That's the first thing when you're looking at a projector. Where is the light source? So we know the image is here. There must be a light in here somewhere. I'm guessing this is it right here. Let's take that apart a little bit. We'll pull this component out. We'll just try to separate the projector from the unit. I'll unscrew this chip. Okay. Now we have the projector separated from all the components. We could start to look in there and see how it works. Okay, you can see the motor here, down here, and that's what's turning the slides. And then there must be an LED hidden right here. So let's take it apart more. Okay, this part houses the gear, the piece that changes. It's a kind of a neat mechanism here, actually, where this pin rotates around, engages this little feature, and just turns this thing only as much as it needs to. So it doesn't, this type of mechanism doesn't continually turn this gear. This gear turns like as this gear turns continuously. And that's because this pin engaging these little teeth. It's a clever little mechanism. You've probably seen it on YouTube. This limit switch here indexes it, and that tells the circuit exactly where that is so the image isn't halfway between. So that's how that works. It's a neat little, I don't know what they call it, but it's a pin and slot indexing mechanism. And now right in there, that's the LED here. Let's see here. So I think I'm going to fire it up. Let's put some batteries back in it. Make sure we don't have electronics touching each other and burning it out. And we'll fire this up, watch it light up. Let's see. I'm not sure how to turn it on. Oh, it's on. We just have to wait for this to light up. Okay, the motor's looking for the switch and it doesn't find it. So I'm trying to trick it. Let's see. Well, I'll put that back in so it works. Okay, that worked. I put the limit switch back in, and now it stopped doing that. Let's see if I could get this to light up. So that's what I was telling you about with that mechanism. Pretty clever. It's actually in there wrong though. There. That's great. Okay, so maybe it thinks it's working and lighting up. Nope, can't get it to light up. Well, and there it is. I never got it to light back up. I'm going to have to take it to my desk and work on it from there.